Shin ramen with me. Today I wanted to make the Shin stir-fry spicy beef flavor. I started out by cutting some vegetables that I'm going to add in the ramen. Then I decided to prepare the protein, which was chicken and shrimp. I added some lime juice, and I also decided to cook some eggs. After the noodles were cooked, I decided to add the seasoning that came with the soup along with the hot sauce. Once everything was done, it was distributed to 3 bowls, and then I had it with my family. Just a disclaimer, it was really spicy and it definitely caught me off guard. It was actually pretty good, and I would rate it a 9 out of 10.